Here's how you can get a loan from ICICI Bank online. So first you want to head over to iccbank.com, and then from their home screen right here, you can go to loans and then you can see all the loans that they have. For example, they have a car loan, home loans, personal loan. So whichever one you want, for example, a car loan, just go and click on it. Then from there, here you can calculate how much it will cost. For example, if your loan is 20,000, then here the duration is, let's say, 4 years. And the interest rate, of course, that depends on the actual bank, but let's say it's pretty high. Then you can now see the total interest payable, which means that for a loan of 20,000, I will be paying this on top of that. Just go and click apply for car loan right here. And then it will take you to a screen similar to this one, but it kind of depends on what kind of a loan you want. So then it says get the car loan best suited for your needs. Please enter amount between this and this. So just enter how much you want and then select how long you want the loan to be for. And then here click let's get started. So now you can get your car loan in this case in 4 simple steps. First, you need to enter your necessary information, which you can see over at the right here. So first your mobile number, then your permanent account number, and then your date of birth. Then next, you can customize your loan. Then you need to enter additional information and download the sanction letter. And then you can see on average, people get their loan sanctioned in 5 to 10 minutes. So that's very fast. So just follow these steps and then you will have applied for a loan with ICICI Bank online. So now you know how to get a loan from ICICI Bank online. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.